Storybox Audio.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So today we'll be looking at differentiation of product rule. So let me explain what product rule is. If y equal to a function, let's say u v, that's product of u and v, therefore the y over the x will equal to u. Then we differentiate v, that's the v over the x with respect to x, plus then now we'll be having v, then we differentiate u with respect to x. So this is what we call product rule. So this is product rule. So let's look at example 1. If y equal to into bracket x plus 5, then we have another bracket x plus 2, we can see that we're having product of two equation. So from here, when we follow this, we can see that y remain y, which means our u, this will be our u, this will be our v. So when we differentiate, that's with respect to x, so the y over the x will equal to, the rule says we take u, and this is our u, that's x plus 5, then we multiply it with when we differentiate this. So when we differentiate this, we have 1, then plus we take v, this our v, then we multiply it with u by differentiating it. So when we differentiate u, we also have 1. So from here, the y over the x will equal to, when we use this one to open the bracket, we'll be having x plus 5, then plus, when we multiply this, we have x plus 2. So that the y over the x will equal to, when we collect like terms, we have 2x plus 7. So when we use, that's using product rule, but there's a fast way that we can also use to solve this. So let's look at, we are told that y equal to x plus 5, x plus, that's into bracket x plus 5, x plus 2. So what we just need to do, we can rewrite this by expanding this bracket. When we expand the bracket, we'll be having 2x square, we'll be having x square plus 7x plus 10. So from here, this y equal to a quadratic expression. So for here, we can see that we can't use power rule, we can't use product rule. So what we are going to use now, we use power rule to solve it. And power rule says the power will move to the front, then we subtract -1 to the power plus 1, we multiply the function, then we subtract -1 plus constant will give us 0. So the y over the x will equal to, that's 2x plus 7. So example 2, we are having if y equal to x square into bracket 5x plus 1. So when we follow the product rule, so we can say that this is our u, this is our v. Then when we differentiate with respect to x, the y over the x will equal to, the rule says we pick u is x square, then we differentiate v. When we differentiate v, we have 5 plus, then we are to pick v, then our v is 5x plus 1, then we differentiate u. When we differentiate u, we have 2x. Using power rule, we have 2x. So from here, the y over the x will equal to 5x square plus, when we expand this, we have 10x square plus 2x. So when we collect like terms, so the y over the x will equal to, adding this together, we have 15x square plus 2x. So using the other way, what we just need to do is to expand. When we expand the expression, we'll be having 5x cube plus x square. So from here, we expand this to give us this. So when we differentiate with respect to x using power rule, this will multiply this to give us 15. Then we subtract minus 1 to the power, that's then plus this will multiply, then we subtract minus 1 to the power, so that the y over the x will equal to 15x square plus 2x. That's using power rule to solve this.